For today's video, I will show you how to get your Facebook password from Google account. So, let's begin. First thing we need to do is to simply log into our Facebook account as well as to our Google account. And then, so the first thing we need to do is to go to Google account. The password lookup process is the same for all saved accounts. And if you are signed into your Chrome profile, you can visit the https passwords.google.com to see them. And if you are not signed into your Chrome profile, you can view the password saved under Chrome, right? Settings and passwords. You can also look under other browsers password managers such as Firefox Lockwise and iCloud Keychain, all right? Beyond this, you need to check with Facebook help. Now let's go to passwords.google.com to see and how we can get our password here. Now I'm here to the Google's password manager, and all we're gonna do is explore a little bit. Okay, so stay with me. Now here at my Google's account password manager, as you can see, here's the Facebook. All you're gonna do is click on that, and you would be able to view your passwords if you have multiple accounts here, or just simply or one password if you're using just one account. All right. Now it says here, if you are still having problems, getting your password from Google account, all you're gonna do is you need to check in with Facebook help. So that's where we're gonna explore next. All right. So stay along. Okay, from here you're gonna change your password in Account Center. Click on your profile picture in the top right, then click Settings and Privacy. Click the cog icon settings. Click Account Center. Then click Password and Security. Of course, you need to click Change Password. Then click the account you'd like to update. And once again, enter your current password and new password. Click Change Password. Note, not everyone will be able to access this setting in Account Center at this time. If the steps above don't work for you, try the steps below, which is to change your password in Facebook. If you're already logged in, click your profile picture in the top right of Facebook. Select Settings and Privacy, then click Settings. Click Security and Login. Click Edit next to Change Password, and you need to enter your current password and new password. Of course, you're gonna click Save Changes. And if you're logged in but have forgotten your password, follow these steps under Change Your Password, then click Forgot Your Password, alright? And follow the steps to reset it. Keep in mind that you'll need access to the email associated with your account, which is your Google email, right? So you can go back and forth. Now to reset your password, all I'm gonna do is go to the Find Your Account page right here. Type the email, mobile phone number, full name or username associated with their account, then click search. Of course, you need to follow the on-screen instructions. And for security reasons, you won't be able to use the same mobile phone number that you use for two-factor authentication, or the 2FAs, to help you reset your password. You'll need to have a different mobile phone number or email address added to your account to reset your password if you ever need to. And if you're still having trouble, all right, you can simply contact the Facebook support to recover your account at any given time, alright? And they will help you solve your problem regarding about getting your password here in Google account, alright? And that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in our next video.